Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers and Disney fans. And today's unboxing video is the black and white sketch version of Bambi. Just gonna show the back of the box. So here it is. Here's what he looks like when he was drawn. Very cool. Alright, so just gonna open this guy up. Alright, the black and white Bambi is out of the box. He's probably look very similar to the one in color. I'm just gonna bring the color version right here and maybe see the difference. Where this one, it's in color, where this one, it's in black and white color. That's because it's a drawing sketch version of him. So it's to remind of the first Bambi movie, which is Bambi, the main character, made his debut since around 1942 of the 1940s, and he's been popular ever since. So, yeah. So anyways, guys, see any difference between the color and black and white on these two Bambis? Let me know what you think in the comments section below. I'm just going to keep this one mint in the box so they don't get dust all over it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that you might be interested in. And thanks for the support and 718 subscribers. I appreciate that. And thanks for watching, and bye for now.